So today we see how to extract data from the CSV file. So you can see over here I have some BOW data copy of around 136 files, okay, from here to here. So all this BOW copy is actually taken from the stock market website. So you can see here that we can download the BOW copy. So this actually indicates some of the data related to the stock market. So this actually collected for the each day. Almost 6 month data is over here. So the thing is we want to extract data from each file based on some condition. So each file contains around 50,000 rows, so it is very difficult to pass this CSV file into Excel sheet and taking the data one by one. So you can see over here, so it's having huge data. So it is a very tedious task to complete from this file 1 to the file number 136. So it takes a lot of time. So this we can do some automation by using Python programming. So you can finish extracting data of all this 136 CSV files within 5 minutes. Okay, so I will show you how. So you can see over here we have few lines of code. With these few lines of code, we can extract the data to the Excel sheet like this. Okay, so these are the data I actually extracted. So you can see over here we have some 172 rows of data which is extracted from these 136 files. Okay, so if you want to see, so here I have written some code. In this code, you can see over here I actually added some condition. Okay, this condition, what it do is from this data, it will extract only the instrument name called option stock. Then I again added some condition like open is less than close. That is actually it is open and close at the end of the day close value. So if it is greater, that means the stock is moved up. So and one more condition we added is change in OI. Okay, so I limited the change in OI to some 1 million or 10 lakhs because to rectify some of the penny stocks, we just added this condition. It's up to you. You can add any condition over here so that you can extract data from those 135 all those CSV files listed in this particular folder. Okay, so here additional conditions are added over here. It is also up to you whether you need or not. You can add. So why these things are because not required stock list I made over here to rectify some of the not required stock. Okay, I don't want to trade these kind of stock, so that's why I just take it out. Don't want to record those values. Okay, and one more thing, repeated trades. That means in this CSV file, okay, you can see over here. So here some of the trades are in the option. There are some 50 scripts are there. So there are repeated entries of stock also there. So if you don't want to enter that repeated stock value over here for a particular date, so then you can eliminate by using this particular condition. So that is also up to you. If you remove that condition, repeated trade will keep on entering in this list. Okay, so we'll see how. I will first remove all this value first, then I will run the program so that you can understand how exactly this data from these files will be extracted to this particular Excel sheet. So here if I press Ctrl P, so then the program actually starts running. You can notice the entries are actually uh, being started. You can see, so from all the sheets the data is keep on extracting. Okay, so this work makes simple. So I will show you at the end of this program, so how much time actually it consumes to extract data from all these 186 files. Okay, so don't worry if you don't know the code. I just given my contact details in the description. You can contact me to those uh, details, and I can help you to extract data from the CSV file. So we'll wait for a while to complete this program. So you can notice over here it's entering the data. Then also notice these values: open is equal to less and close is greater. That means this particular stocks on BHL on May, it is actually in the green position. Okay, so now the program has finished. So it took almost 302 seconds. That means so it took almost 5 minutes to complete the process. That means it is taking almost 5 minutes to extract data from all these 136 CSV files to the Excel sheet. So we got some 762 data. Okay, so here if you just uh, sort it out, so from 1st January all the way until 30th July will extract data. So this way you can extract data, and you can do some strategy, and you actually backtest your strategy as well by using these techniques. So which makes so easy to backtest your strategy based on the historical data. Uh, to to write this program, you need to understand Python. So if you don't know Python, you can actually contact the details which I mentioned in the uh, description box. Thank you.